right, on this episode of Alpha BTS, we're going to talk about inspection. So when we looked to automate our inspection process, we looked at all the commercially available equipment on the market. And what we quickly noticed is that equipment was optimized for speed and finding gross defects, but not so much for key measurements. So at Alpha, our goal is to provide the strongest, most consistent brass in the world. So we need to not only find those gross defects, but look at dimensional consistency. So in typical Alpha fashion, we decided to design, engineer, and build our own inspection machine in-house. And we feel very strongly this is the most advanced inspection machine in the industry in the world. So as other brass manufacturers are looking for gross defects with their inspection equipment, we're looking not only for those gross defects, but also dimensional consistency. So let's go through the machine and I'll show you how we inspect 100% of the production coming off the production line to ensure when you receive your box of brass, it's the strongest, most consistent brass in the world. So our first sensor, which is accurate to micron level, we're taking all key dimensions of the brass, all the measurements that you would be taking at home, like head diameter, E-groove diameter, head thickness, neck diameter, overall length, shoulder angle, base to shoulder, and many other measurements. All those measurements are being taken and we're holding very tight tolerances on that sensor. From there, the brass is moved into our second station, which is a high resolution camera. And that camera is looking at the primer pocket, the writing on the case head. We're looking at the flash hole. We're determining if everything is dimensionally consistent. We're also looking at the flash hole for burrs to make sure we're free of burrs. From there, we go on to a station which is very, very unique in the industry. Every single piece gets rotated 360 degrees. We have these extremely sensitive sensors that are actually designed and used for another industry. And what we're doing is we're rotating that piece of brass. Each sensor is taking 10,000 images and stitching it together like a topographical map. It's doing this instantly. As those 10,000 images are stitched together, we have dozens of tools that are looking for any sort of defect in the brass, any sort of dimensional inconsistency, and it's doing that instantly, which is really impressive. From that station, we go to our final station, which is a pharmaceutical grade scale. It's a scale that's capable of resetting itself 97 times a second. And the reason we're weighing the brass is we want to ensure that through the production process that nothing got stuck in the brass. If we see a weight variation high or low at this station, it'll be rejected. And from there, the brass is dropped into a bin where it's ready for final packaging. Hopefully you guys found this video informative about how Alpha Munitions' inspection process is very unique and going above and beyond to make sure the brass you receive is the strongest, most consistent in the world. If you have any questions about this process, please throw them down in the comments and we'll do everything we can to answer them.